This is Stan, and this is his mobile home. Did you know that a mobile home insurance policy from Foremost can cover a loss if your possessions are stolen or destroyed? Pretty cool, huh? But we're probably going to ask you to provide a record of your belongings at the time of the claim. Hey, don't worry! Creating a personal property inventory doesn't take that long, and it's easy if you know what to do. So what is a personal property inventory anyway? Well, Stan, a personal property inventory is a complete list of all your household goods and personal belongings. A complete inventory includes the following information about each item on your list. The room in the mobile home where it's located. That would be the living room, Stan. Item description and quantity. Purchase date. Place of purchase. Original cost and estimated value. The real value, Stan, not what you wish it was worth. A picture of the item, serial and model number, and receipts for the most valuable items. Nice job, Stan, you've got it. And you'll want to do this for the rest of your big-ticket items as well. No one is fully prepared for a loss, but you can take steps to reduce your stress in the aftermath. This personal property inventory will speed up your claims process and get your life back to normal ASAP. Keep an eye on your stuff there, Stan. Well, that's sort of what I meant. With a personal property inventory, Foremost will help protect the things that matter most to you.